In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Shopify store in just about 5 minutes. Creating an online store could sound intimidating at first, but with Shopify's user-friendly platform, it's more straightforward than you might think. Let's dive into the process. First up, you'll need to navigate your way to the Shopify website. It's here where the journey of creating your new online store begins. Once you're there, the first thing you'll see is the option to log in. Since we're starting from scratch, this is where you typically enter your credentials. But let's assume you've already got an account. Click on the login button to proceed. Next, it's time to enter your account details. Shopify will ask you to type in your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Shopify account. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that the store creation process is smooth and secure. Following your email entry, you'll see an option that says Continue with email. Click on that. This action takes you forward in the process, keeping your login method streamlined and simple. Shopify values your time and security, which is why this step is designed to be as straightforward as it is. After clicking Continue with email, you'll encounter a familiar procedure if you've used any online services before, choosing an account to proceed with. If you have multiple accounts or a specific one for business purposes, this is where you select it. Moving on, you might find yourself on the Shopify admin page, an area that serves as the command center for your Shopify store. Here you'll see an option or icon indicating My Store. It's easy to spot and essential for the next step. Once you're in the My Store section, Shopify gives you a clear view of any existing stores you might have and the option to create a new one. Look for your store name and click on it. This might seem redundant if you're looking to create a new store, but it's a necessary step in navigating through the platform. As you click through, you'll find an option labeled All Stores. This is your gateway to managing multiple stores under a single Shopify account or creating a new one. Click on All Stores to expand your Shopify empire or to simply begin it. And here we are, at the critical juncture of our store creation process, the Create Store button. Shopify positions this prominently, making it hard to miss. Clicking here takes you to the heart of the action, where your new store begins to take shape. Finally, Shopify, ever considerate of your time and preferences, will offer assistance in setting up your new store. However, if you're like me and prefer to dive straight in, there's an option for that too. Look for a button or link that says, I don't want help setting up, and select it. This choice lets you navigate the setup process independently, allowing for a customized store setup experience that fits your specific needs. Creating a new Shopify store is an exciting journey, offering the promise of bringing your business dreams to life. Remember, each step in this process is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their technical proficiency, can create an online store that reflects their vision. Keep in mind the images and buttons mentioned might appear slightly different due to updates in the Shopify platform, but the core steps remain consistent. Stay patient, follow these guidelines, and in no time you'll have your own Shopify store up and running. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process of creating a new Shopify store seem less daunting. Remember, the key to success with your online store is not just in the creation, but in the passion you pour into your products and the experience you offer your customers. Happy selling,